And now the news in detail. National People's Party (NPP) President Conrad Sangma today took oath of office and secrecy as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, along with 11 others, including 2 Deputy Chief Ministers, for the second consecutive term in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Raj Bhavan. Meghalaya Governor Praghu Chauhan administered the oath to the 12-member Council of Ministers, including NPP's Preston Tinsong and BJP's Alexander Lalu Hek. Tinsong and Sneo Bhalang Dhar took oath as Deputy Chief Ministers. Marquis N. Marak, Rakam A. Sangma, Amperine Lingdo, Koningom Yambon and A.T. Mondol were among those from the NPP who were sworn in as cabinet ministers. BJP's A.L. Hek, UDP's Paul Lingdo and Kermen Shilla and Sakliar Warjri of the HSPDP also took oath as ministers. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP President J.P. Nadda and Assam Chief Minister and NEDA convener Himanta Biswa Sharma were among those present on the occasion.